When it comes to automating SEO content, two popular tools, Frase and WordLift, often come up in discussions. Both promise to help streamline content creation, but which one actually delivers the most value for your SEO efforts? Let's dive into a comparison of Frase versus WordLift, weighing the pros and cons of each, and by the end, I'll reveal a better alternative. First up, let's talk about Frase. Frase is designed to help you generate high quality, SEO optimized content quickly. The platform is built around its AI powered content research and writing assistant. It uses an AI tool to analyze top ranking pages and give you a content brief that includes keywords, headings, and subtopics. You can then use it to create articles that are built for SEO from the get go. One thing I really like about Frase is how it integrates both content research and content generation in one platform. Next thing, let's look at WordLift. WordLift takes a different approach, focusing more on the semantic side of SEO. It uses AI to help you enrich your content with relevant terms and concepts, automatically tagging your content and creating a knowledge graph. This helps Google better understand your content and boosts your chances of ranking for related keywords. WordLift is great if you want to optimize content with advanced features like automatic linking and suggestions for related articles. However, it can feel a bit more complex to use compared to Frase, especially for beginners. The third thing to consider is user interface and ease of use. Frase is generally easier for newcomers. Its interface is intuitive, and within minutes you can start generating content with minimal setup. If you're someone who values speed and simplicity, Frase is likely the better choice. WordLift, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve. The interface can be a little overwhelming, especially for those not familiar with technical SEO concepts. It's a more specialized tool, so while it offers depth, it also demands a bit more time to fully understand and use effectively. Fourth thing to discuss is pricing. Frase offers several pricing plans, starting at a more affordable rate, with options for freelancers, small businesses, and larger teams. For the features you get, the cost is pretty reasonable. WordLift's pricing is a bit higher, especially if you're looking to unlock its more advanced features, and it's generally aimed at businesses or agencies with a focus on long-term content optimization. For individuals or small teams, WordLift might feel like overkill. Now, let's talk about a few key limitations. With Frase, while it's fantastic for generating and optimizing content, the AI writing can sometimes be a bit too generic. It's still great for building content quickly, but if you want highly personalized, unique writing, it might require a bit more effort on your part to stand out. On the flip side, WordLift's main limitation lies in its steep learning curve and somewhat complex setup. While it's powerful in terms of optimizing and enriching content, it might be overwhelming for someone who just wants to get a blog post out the door quickly. So, after trying both, I'd recommend you consider a third option if you're serious about SEO automation. Both Frase and WordLift are solid choices, but in my experience, there's a better solution out there for automating SEO content. You can check it out by clicking the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial available, something you won't find anywhere else. Frase and WordLift both have their strengths, but if you want to truly elevate your SEO content creation, it's worth trying the tool I recommend. Just click the link and take advantage of the free trial to see for yourself how it can help your business.